Hello, this is Victor Santana with StockHunters.com for the week ending of August 19th. How are you? Here we are playing Burning Down the House. Seems like the markets are burning down, but we'll take a look at it and see what's going on here. Here we're looking at the total world market, U.S. market here, and what you can see here is we have the 8 simple moving average for the week and 24 simple moving average for the week here, and each candle is 1 week price movement with our special super sauce indicator here that we follow. Basically that tells us which way the direction of the trend is going and to get in and out. And here we are for this week here, last Friday, and as you can see we're close. The trend lines are reversed, the green and the red here. So the green is leading the red, which is bearish, and here we're looking at the trend indicator here, and it is red. So let's stay away from the US market, okay? Unless you are a bottom fisher, but we are not. We're more trend hunters here, okay? So let's break this down and see what's going on in each of the indices. Here we're looking at the Dow. As you can see here, the trend has gone up back in August of last year and continued up here until we got the crossover right here on May 30th, the first warning here. So what we do is we put a sell stop right at the bottom, and sure enough, next week we get triggered out. Okay, so we're in cash for the Dow, and as soon as the trend reverses here, we get an up signal here, which is right on this day here. And as you can see, we put a buy order here, but nothing goes that high, so we stay out of it. And then since then, the trend reversed again, and elevator going down. So this system may work for you if you want to be an investor for a medium term. You cannot buy and hold now these days. So okay, let's go now look at the SPY, SPY. The S&P 500 is, again, you can see the trend indicated to get in here. We ride the trend up here. We get the trend showing to get out. And sure enough, you follow here, we get triggered out here. And trend goes positive again here. We put a buy order. We don't get hit. And from there, the trend reverses and it just goes down. So we're safe there again. And now let's look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ here, you can see the trend has gone positive here. We put a buy order, get in, we ride the trend up all the way up. As long as you follow this trend here, we get very close to get an exit here, so we put an exit order here, and sure enough it reverses. The trend continues up. Now the trend hits lower here in May 30th, the week of, so we put an exit order here, and sure enough we get triggered out. So we go in cash here until we get till July 4th week, and as you can see here, the trend went down and bounced around. You may have gotten triggered here, or you could have also stayed out if it didn't make it. Either way, if you've gotten in here, you just got the kind of a little burn here. But that's NASDAQ. That's how the NASDAQ stock market is here. You do get a little bigger burn marks here. And let's look at the Russell 2000. Again, here you can see we got the trend going up all these weeks, months. Then we got the signal to get out right here. So we put a sell ordered right at the below. We get triggered out. A couple of weeks later, the trend looked like it reversed, and we get in and bounce around, and we get triggered out here. Okay, so that's usually how it gets when you're at the end of a trend. It gets a little choppy, but as long as you abide by your exits here, you still keep a long winner here. And now let's look at the global. See how the global market is here. Global market's been uptrending here, but we got an exit signal May 30th here. And since then, the trend, it's been too weak to even try to go back up, so we stay out, and it went all the way down here. So And let's just take one quick look here at gold just to see how that trend indicator works for us here. As you can see, gold has been going up since way past then. So we go up here, we get a breakdown. So here you might say you might watch it or get out if you're in. Then back here we put a buy, and since then we have the trend up here. So even with the gold, we would have been in the gold, still in it. So let's see when that trend will reverse. We also look for divergences showing if the trend is going to be faulty pretty soon. So if you like those ideas and more, come over to the website and you'll see plenty of these more ideas at stock-hunters.com. Till then, take care and have fun.